right, and then so Yama Obibia Kwabio and Famra a yes Sober Network as usual Misoba. Don't forget say over subscribe it. Now fe also what my channel Diamonia na unia and so etimi ashe Jumade bi ama bibian so etimi akosumidi e de eye confidence as usual tenase na ye the exclusive I won say dey and so e de eba besum e wo Jumade so ama bibian so etimi akoskama exclusive no bank one say de mamo na fe ye hwim na fe residence no and so e besi akọ e wo Jumade so na Asante Kotoko egusom ebobo mo ho eye towards pre-season and also air course na fe Ghana Premier League and also eba be start and me dey together ma saraba course se me no ka se air course training grounds no and say obi a player all training grounds also na ho dey enso etima hwe enti se woye ho ahwani no so we dey enso timi so ho dey enso etimi hwe ema ebibia dey enso etimi ekoso ye na ma me fanto jam fama se ene yari ato nim say Asante fan say Dalad Ibrahim goalkeeper what start still one Asante Kotoko team na dey enso eguso a almost training our Asante Kotoko training grounds and confirm makan say Asante Kotoko goalkeeper situation no ba course see am no ka say mpefo eguso a almost assess situation for matima hwe ama ebibia dey enso tima koso dem a picking say position by positions our Asante Kotoko no dem it say any more than 3. Say ebia goalkeeper side. Yes ebia 4 goalkeepers ebia eba Asante ko NC. Strikers esada nyere emrusu ya bebre sa. Enti Menzo ene everything kala omu hihye mu ne de. Omu dwuma de omu peso mu di. Adema kala we fa sa Asante Kotoko no enya dwuma de ketwa. Enya be dia tum se omu dwuma de omu ediri nyere enso eboa. Ama bibia de enso atima kosuye esene me no kase transfers no ultimo Kotoko foti bebre maybe you want maybe on behind the scene yenye de yense da anim what I say and I can confirm you to say Asante Kotoko recruitment for the next season plus ya empayfo and o madin komo behind the scene etimasie no se kase ye bia so na nwuma area kirewa maybe oyan kra de enso ebetima etimaso what I say we young cry them and so ebetimi aso enti yenya abotere fama mpanyifo because and almost start here omodo official announcement ban kakran mere yenso etima hu bi with the David Obinya ko appointment aba because David Ayobia na nyina hwenim say an appointment na be enso betima ba and the position omodo ama no won say fans be kasa say no David position no na ke hia ebia PR job. And some people feel say kebet my juma aboa ama biare enso tima cosmet empayfan ka say juma yenchen yenhwe say de be besia because that day Asante Kotoko etimi kasama for dem club no se na be ya dani dano nipa betima bontena afi watima address Asante Kotoko supporters na etima ye especially league ya ye ba be starti en kamano ka say bia ka official communique ba say bia confidence ana ebia wo ye kasama from Asante Kotoko maybe ya won se me elefa Asante Kotoko transfers ho a ebia supporters ni pa bond eba bontin ba be kasa board na de enso tima kasa board na de enso tima kasa nyame confidence ana makasa board na de akasa ya so tima de ba bontin me so no e seni de ye nyina de yenso ye kono but appointment of PR no e de ba ko a ye guso ye twen se beba na fe etima bo ma Asante Kotoko ere etima fan ntuma pa ere enso etima fra emigidi se eye dia appointment no for PR job me no obi andi nkomo and me wogidi se eye dia appointment ere enso betima ba na fe abo ma bibia ere enso etima koso etano yare ba ko a ye nyina yenso ye hwe anim se bibia ere enso ebetimi akoso eho Asante fan se Jimanu Amante Esina kan Adema Club your friend say Mediama Sporting Club. And yenya beja to me say CZA chemi o peplas and obo modern papa Mediama Sporting Club. The guy friend say Manuel Mante untimi enkana fa unyini na enso enfemfim. Na oya mofo da bia e ba bon say yempia onfimfi on pare a oya de. E ko medi a kire say 2 Ghana Premier League clubs HSC Asante friend say Manuel Mante. Na Manuel Mante no asatena me no kasai Or party words media masana be two jano. Na house of folk, I a club and then you may. Ma pick any free campus, I must start here my enquiries at the far branch of furnace and one man two. I can confirm it to say Asante Kotoko Sporting Club show interest. Ewa abrantia ye furnace man one man temu. Patotiemie. 2 clubs are also interest in one. A house of folk. De tosumienu. A club of furnace Asante Kotoko. Na Asante Kotoko de enyume mi din komono. Dema picking is a nipa no plesi kono. Aye just enquiries in the house and so ayem. Aye just enquiries. And a nipa ne de enso etime. Now I can confirm it to say boy no eso ni desire say or person si akan. Oh Ghana in Premier League no be si akan ya. Or person si akan oh 2 big clubs awa. And it's a what say Asante Kotoko borrow from a Roman ta. This is exclusive report and then come me din watch no. Ye dama me amede won some e the el to manim and then you mray. E njumadi so e ha. And it's a fact. And a training no na no odin. Said me kai Aziz Aba. I mean Chum Benjamin and Clever which is a youth team goalkeeper. Ono so team aba. And afa na Dalad and so timi bai. Na Asante Kotoko infinfi wono mo no. Asante Kotoko infinfi wono. Bia betimachi but Mr. Pa say Prince Badu the performance on maso yes Prince Badu I best say the performance na onye den on maso because Jamaica no e ade ba ko a ehun so yede enso ebetime ahia na me bompa ye se Badu gidi a yenya e woni mu no ebetime afa ne tuma pa yede enso etime fra just that ye be wie season no na ye nhede hu Prince Badu yes ha we hit a ode ba ye na anu odin but come here say die ye hia no em say enema yede etrese kakra chese ekofa nsem piere enso etim bae but mo gidie pa se edai a ana coach efe say coach efe say everything kala abranche efe say Badu performance no ebetima de enso etim agina ye na ama bibia de enso etimi akokama eno ni pai ba me ba ni asema me de me nso metim aka eno ni pai amebo ana afi asema me nso me de metim aka se baby Badu obi a otemi nka no onhwe na fi ni dwumadie no ompejam 19 mo Hamzata enso e player ba ko na me no kasai mani ere mani etimaje pa ade amane se ono so coach bai open defender ba ko and players of more clubs go metima ka so ni pa oda o makoma so pa aya branch first Hamzata on se coach no de me pekene se akwan Hamzata fa so epian ball no coach ne happy yes coach ne happy enti en Zakaria Fuseni so on say ne performance na den enso etima page yes Zakaria Fuseni enso on say ne performance na den enso etimi apeja enso ye hwe num se beboa ama bibia enso etima koso club a ye fe ne Asante Kotoko breaking news ye tie nie ene Asante Kotoko training grounds kom boku ebeye training and ya catch am say Asante Kotoko club no enye mu nyina na team no ene obere kokopiem e won kran e daya empenfo beja bi kwan ama bia de enso atimi akọ na ene after Asante Kotoko training no ana ye hu say ora fe no say everything kala ana fe ora fe no say Stalimezo which is that of football Elton is a referee 2 players our Asante Kotoko training grounds na 2 players me de ba ko din ebesie but banko a metim no so a striker ani mo duye pa e wa Asante Kotoko na enkoma na course between ora Eretinkala and Stalimezo no I can confirm it to you say Stalimezo and Eretinkala a confirm na striker ne say almost no fine omo ba won monitor situation no me say striker no e training ene to wa na opa Asante Kotoko training girls oh who striker no me pese me boni din and I can confirm it to you utie so ni coach na obeti dem make say ye da to striker no nim say omo ntimi no ne enso ento aso say the performance what na di na e bia omo gina so their confidence enkuta me say be a discipline issue and be a man pay for and told him their enkuta me but I can confirm it to say Asante Kotoko top striker and pay for that omo ntimi no ento aso bio. It's official announcement about Montana. That's also what is a side strike and pay for Jan Kwaya. Don't forget, so be natural. You confirm South story the mamo. It's a breaking news over. And the mamo. Pen come me dinner you make details upon details, no. Eh yeah. But when a striker maybe can pay for quick anymore. Come with GDSA. On bet him the boy night day. And so to my joint bet. If you ask me the pet, what I say, and I'll be ya. In the radio bar, you don't want some lady bet. Fine paibo tie branch first Kwame Poku fine paibo tanechi. Me say fine paibo eta Kwame Poku echi. O ben Kwame Poku a fine paibo tanechi. Dear confe. Dear meti me dey aba na nwumre eno no so ba. Don't forget to subscribe na fi won so wetin ma share.